let's finish up on the NASDAQ, which I think is gaining a lot of strength. We're seeing a lot of strength in the tech sectors where, like Tim had pointed out, Apple, Amazon, Google are all doing really well today. So we can expect that the NASDAQ, being very tech heavy, is going to show a nice move. And we're up 1% on the NASDAQ sector itself, popped right off of that 9 EMA to move up. This is still actively breaking above the level that it needs to. So this isn't necessarily a base like the other indexes are. I would even call this more of a bull flag type pattern that we see on the NASDAQ that's now confirming on the bull flag itself.
Well, and Mark, one thing that I'm always going to be trying to do whenever markets start moving is find where the pockets of strength or weakness are. If there's something within the market internals, I did see the Nasdaq actually. This is a breakout here today, Mark. In fact, and Cody flashed through a couple of these big names. Apple Computer. Apple Computer's up 3% today. 3.14% here this morning. Amazon. And we'll wait on that chart for just a second. Yeah, you see that? I mean, we're pushing towards that, all-time high mark back there in August before that pre-split where it hit and tipped that all-time high. Apple's performing very well on this news. Amazon is starting to heat up when this stock had not done much for quite some time, actually. I mean, this stock was kind of one of those stuck in the mud, not really running, not really moving. It's up over 3% today out of the consolidation, looking like it might want to start moving to the upside from a bullish momentum perspective. Facebook, Google also up over 2%, 2.5%. Mark, is there anything here that gets you more excited about the market when the leadership is in the big names?
Yeah, I mean, of course. These are candles. When you're analyzing, because range patterns are really funny. They're really funny. And these are some strong universal candles across the board. I mean, I'm not ready to say, hey, go tech. Eventually, tech will have its day. And like Matt always says, bet on the next 10 years, you're going to have some really strong time periods where tech is just leading. I mean, let's just call it what it is. There is an insatiable thirst for tech. Technicals have just taken some time off in recent months where you've had a lot of little mini rallies. So I don't know if this is the rally that gets it going to have the next leg up. The Apple EV news is a real positive theme though, right? That is a genuine theme for the future and one that is sustainable. I mean, we've seen these type of themes take hold in 2020 and they usually have legs. So that, that news of Apple last week that it's going to get into the EV market,
Did Mark just abbreviate that on his own, or is that actually out there, everybody's calling it EV? Did Mark just do that himself?
No,
rather than saying
everybody calls it EV. No, I didn't come up with that. Everyone just calls it EV. So electric vehicles, right? So, that's the kind of theme. We've seen those runs in NIO and Tesla, in all of these EV names. Nikola had its day in the sun before people realized that they didn't make any money at all, literally, any revenue. So, can it push it higher? I scour the news every day, every night. There's not really a catalyst per se today other than tech's just having its day.
Having a nice day, no question about it. And by the way, technology did catch an upgrade from us. And let's go through those sectors right now. I mean, this is something that we had identified even starting a week ago or 2 weeks ago. We started watching some of tech starting to move a little bit to the upside.